everyone, this is Samya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today I'm up with my night routine. So you will get to know what I do in my night routine and what all benefits you can get out of it. So yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update. Get comfortable. Obviously, getting into these comfortable pajamas and t-shirt is really imperative for me because whole day I am in my active wear, so I want to get in these comfortable loose clothing. So yeah, this is the first thing that I do. After that, I'm just going to wash my face because obviously there's a lot of dirt because of the workout that I do in different kinds of conditions, and I also apply some of the lipsticks, kajal, so all of the very unwanted particles are there on my face. So I'm just going to wash my face. So let's start. So my night skin routine is all about cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Of all the skincare products that I receive, the one that I really love is this from Plum Goodness because it has green tea in it. So basically I use green tea pore cleansing face wash as a step 1. Then I will follow it up with an alcohol free toner and then a renewed clarity night gel. So basically it's a 3-step process and all the products have green tea. Green tea products are suitable for oily and acne prone skin. So nowadays, because of a lot of dirt, I feel that my skin is suffering a lot, and that's why I'm going to start cleansing my skin with a face wash, a mild cleansing formula that's loaded with green tea extract, glycolic acid and natural cellulose beads that will leave your skin feeling fresh and hydrated. After that, I'm going to use this alcohol free toner. So basically most of the toners have alcohol in them, but this is an alcohol free toner that is very gentle yet very effective product, helps to shrink, enlarges the pores and firms up your skin. All the products from Plum are available at flat 30% off on Amazon from 16th to 21st of October. It's a special offer. You can definitely check it out. The link would be there in my description. And finally, the moisturizing step, wherein I'm going to use green tea renewed clarity night gel that has balanced nourishment and hydration for your skin as it's very light, non-sticky and a pillow proof formula, because most of the time when I apply any kind of gel, all of my gel is there on the pillow in the morning. So basically it's very non-sticky and pillow proof formula which will hydrate your skin in the right way. So yes, all these products are PETA certified and are 100% vegan, suitable for oily and acne prone skin. If you are someone who has dry skin type, then you can go with E-Luminescence range, which is perfect for winters and also available with flat 30% off on Amazon. So yes, you can definitely try these products out. The link would be there in my description. After I'm done with my skincare, this time of night is utilized in planning for the next day. So basically I plan for the upcoming day well in advance to make sure that there is no hustle with a cup of green tea. So I always recommend having a cup of green tea or magic tea. If you are older audience of my channel, you know that I recommend having a magic tea at night. It's actually very good for your skin, boosts your metabolism and is actually great for digestion. So I make sure that I have green tea or magic tea at night this time itself. Then after that I read. I make sure that I take out some time out of my night because I don't see my phone after a particular time, because otherwise I'm not able to sleep properly, and I utilize this time to read more about body science, to read about nutrition and lots of things. After that I meditate and do bedtime exercise. As you all know that I've already shared few bedtime exercises on my channel. It is because I recommend doing bedtime exercise and meditation for sure to have a good time sleep. Sleep plays a very important role in your weight loss journey, fitness journey and being fit and healthy. So if you do these bedtime exercises, you feel really relaxed and your body goes into that non-working zone and in rest zone, and make sure that you have a deep uninterrupted sleep throughout the day. So there are few exercises, there are few videos on my channel as well that you can check out to do some amazing bedtime exercises. Also, it really helps to get rid of bloating. So that's it for this video. I hope you will find find it useful. This was all about my night routine. These were the things that I do for my skin and my hair. I also oil my hair, but it doesn't happen regularly. I do it like 2 to 3 times a week, so that's why I did not make it a part of my routine. But yes, I take care of my skin, my hair, and it is one of the most amazing self-care time for me. So I hope you will find it useful and try some of these tips out for yourself as well. So yes, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. Don't forget to hit the bell icon along with the subscribe button, because I will be up with so many more videos. So yes, bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy.